Here we have a slightly different kind of Excel template for vendor creation, where we are using a cell-based approach, which allows us to create Excel templates for WINSHUTTLE that look more like traditional forms. This example actually consists of 3 different SAP transactions that are automatically processed in sequence when we start the run from the WINSHUTTLE add-in. So basically we have here 3 different WINSHUTTLE scripts that have been linked together to form a single chain of SAP transactions. On the first sheet that we see here, we create the vendor master record using transaction code XK01. Then on the second sheet, here we create the pricing info records for a handful of materials in a transaction ME11. And the third and final sheet here is used to create the source list entries in ME01. And since certain fields such as the vendor number and purchasing organization, for instance, are used on several sheets, we are using Excel formulas to copy those values over so that you would only need to enter each value once on the master record sheet. Let's go back to the vendor sheet and start the run from the WINSHUTTLE add-in here. We're already logged into SAP after the last example, so we can skip that step and press the run button to start the vendor creation process. WINSHUTTLE will start by running the first script in the chain, which would be the XK01 script to create the vendor master record. Once that's complete, we'll see a log message here in the log column letting us know that the vendor record was successfully created. There. Now the second script will automatically start and Excel will switch focus to the second sheet where we have the info record data. And also we have the log column here where we'll get an acknowledgement once the info records are created. And now the third and final script will start and will create the source list entries. There we go, all done. All 3 scripts were now automatically processed in sequence and the records were created successfully, as we can verify from all these different log columns on each sheet.